How to download and use stickers from Zedge App. First of all, open the app and use the search bar at the top of the home screen. Type keywords like funny stickers, quote stickers or emoji sticker to find sticker style wallpapers or images. Once you find an image that looks like a sticker, tap on it to preview. If it fits what you need, tap the download button inside the purple circle. Then select Save to Media folder. Now check your downloads folder or gallery apps. To use this as a sticker, open any app that allows image sharing or editing like WhatsApp, Instagram or photo editing apps. Import the image you downloaded from Zedge. You can then resize it, place it on background or add it to a post or story like a sticker. Now you know how to download and use sticker style images from Zedge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.